Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit or change your YouTube handle. This handle is what is visible on comments, and that's what people will use to tag you on YouTube, just like an Instagram username. To edit or change your handle, here's how to do it. Open your YouTube app, click on the bottom right corner. Now go to your profile. Click on the pencil icon at the right. You're going to see an option that says handle. Click on the pencil icon. As you can see right here, this handle is visible to all YouTube users. You can only change your handle twice every 14 days. So you have to be careful of what you input here. You have to pick something unique that someone have not used before. So that's how you edit or change your YouTube handle. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.